My little buddy has the hiccups, but he's smiling anyway. Aren't you, little man? I don't know what to think about the bright lights, but they're pretty cute anyway, don't you think?